PowerNotes Insight is a new, LMS-integrated suite of tools built to help educators engage with their students' learning process. Insight provides teachers with transparency into how a student interacts with what they're learning, while ensuring that their final submission matches the recorded work. This is very useful in demonstrating a student's academic integrity when questions arise about AI or contract cheating. Let's take a look at how Insight works. Insight can be accessed securely through your LMS. In this example, we'll use Moodle. PowerNotes also supports Canvas, Blackboard, and D2L Brightspace. When you enter PowerNotes from your Moodle dashboard, you're shown your project templates. To access your current assignments or to create new ones, click the shield icon to go to the assignments page. Let's take a look at a current assignment first. Here, professors can view each student's outline and can also see at a glance how each student is progressing based on that assignment's requirements. One of the key features of Insight is the activity log. The activity log shows you the actions each student has taken on the assignment, how much time they spent on those actions, and when those actions were taken. This, in conjunction with the student outline, gives professors unprecedented access to the learning process, where you can see in real time as students find sources, build their outlines, and synthesize their research into cogent responses. To create a new assignment, professors first create a template project and organize the topics and sources they want each student to start with. Here's an example of a template project based on geopolitics. If there are specific topics that you want your students to organize their assignment around, add those topics in the template project. Students will begin their research with those topics pre-populated in their outlines. Clicking on the shield icon in the top right corner of the screen brings you back to the assignments page. Once the template is created, click into the Create Assignment card and set up the parameters that students will try to meet. On the Create Assignment page, you can see what course section you're creating an assignment for and give it a name. The status dropdown will be set to draft when first creating an assignment. Once you set up the assignment and saved it, you'll have the option to open the assignment and publish it to your students, or to close it altogether. More on this later. The Project Template dropdown lets you choose from your saved templates, which includes your predefined topics and sources discussed earlier. The Locking dropdown allows you to control when students can make changes to their outlines. Unlocked assignments can be edited, whereas locked assignments cannot. By selecting Lock on Due Date, you can choose a date and a time for the assignments to automatically lock. Next, we have configuration settings. The first allows you to automatically append student names to their assignments. The second allows you to include bookmarks in your template for the assignment. Next is a sharing section. The Automatically Share with Me option means that all student outlines for this assignment will automatically be shared with you as the professor. Without this selected, each student must individually go into their sharing settings and manually share their outline with you as a professor. You can also lock sharing settings to prevent students from sharing assignments with each other. Citation settings allows you to enable or disable auto-citations, and lock or unlock source note field names. Under Topics, if you wish, you may require students to use only the topics in the template, or limit the number of topics in their project overall. Finally, under Insight settings, you can adjust the number of sources, annotations, or highlights, as well as the amount of time students are required to spend on the assignment. If you enable time tracking, each student will have to individually approve time tracking in their PowerNotes account in order for time spent on the assignment to be recorded. When the assignment setup is complete, simply click Create and you'll be brought back to your dashboard. When you're ready to send your assignment to students, click to edit your assignment and set the status to Open. Then click the Update button, All students currently enrolled in the class will receive a copy of the template as their assignment in their PowerNotes dashboard. Insight is the latest addition to the PowerNotes suite of digital research and academic integrity tools. To learn more about PowerNotes and how you can bring Insight to your school, visit powernotes.com/insight.